Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2012 Chrysler 200 and I will show you how to change the outside temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa, and the outside temperature will be displayed right here. Okay, so this video will apply to 200s made from 2011 all the way up to 2014. You'll be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, so you will keep pressing the menu button until you reach the units right here. And now once you are here, you will press this right arrow button to change it, and now it's set to metric. And now if you keep pressing the menu button, you will exit this small menu and you will see the change. Now the temperature is in Celsius. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.